This is climbing up the hill to the westbound rest area on I-80 Donner Summit. I want to show you what's behind this rest area. Trans-Sierra Freeway Project, Donner Party plaque, the ill-fated Donner Party of California-bound immigrants who wintered approximately 6 miles from here in 1846 to 47. Many died of exposure and starvation. We know that part. Well documented. I want to show you what's behind here. And I don't think a lot of people know about it. Look at this. A little trail. I want to show you my favorite thing out here. My favorite tree. That one right there. With all the moss on it. Look at that. I love it. I love you. Let's trek it for a bit. I had to stop here for a 30-minute break anyway. Otherwise, I usually am in a pretty big hurry and don't have time to stop here. Look at these trees. How old do you think they are? I'll follow it for a little while, until my break's over. I need to get to Oakland. I should get there around 6 o'clock when the port opens back up. I get to deliver my load, get an empty container to bring home, stay overnight, be on my way in the morning, get home Thursday morning. Anyway, that's the plan. All kinds of things can happen. I think it's going to be a good week. So far, it's been excellent. The weather is awesome. Last night, when I crossed over from Wyoming into the Utah border, there were these stormy clouds that kept raining once in a while. And then you could see the sunset too, and a rainbow. And the traffic wasn't bad, and I could go as fast as I wanted. There's this place where in Utah you can go 80 miles an hour. There's a speed zone sign there. And there's a big curvy hill that comes down from that speed limit sign. And if the traffic isn't bad, you can go flying down that hill. It's like being a race car driver. Trekking. This trail loops back around to the back of the rest area. I'm going to turn around here though. That's a pretty long ways. I've walked it before. But we gotta keep moving. Time is money. Here we are. Behind the westbound rest area. Check it out next time you come through. Let's roll.